guys, good morning wherever you are. Today I'm going to just show you another way of using the baking mix flour from True Green Foods to make something else aside of the pancakes, waffles. Okay, so today we're going to make a quick breakfast sandwich, and you're just going to need the regular baking mix from True Green. My choice of eggs is the pasture raised organic, and I just picked 2 ingredients, 2 vegetables. So you could just do whatever vegetables you want. Today I'm using the mushrooms and bell pepper, the yellow bell pepper. You could add onions to it, tomatoes, whatnot. And so here is my cracked out eggs. And over here is already a mixed up of my baking mix. This is 2 heaped up tablespoons of baking mix flour. And I added, as usual, I added half and half of heavy whipping cream and water to it. And this is the texture I got. You can make it thick or light, however you want your sandwich. If you want it really filled up, you can make it thicker, but this is how I made this one for today. And you probably would definitely need those kind of sandwich makers. So this is what I have. Get it ready, butter it up or spray it up with some kind of oil. I'm using avocado oil as a base spray. I'm going to put my vegetables in the eggs and just mix it up. You could add salt to taste if you want. I'm not adding any salt to it. I just like it like this. And I mix it up. Okay, that's it. Okay, so I'm going to put a bit over here, a bit over there. Spread it out if you want. And I put my mixed vegetables and eggs in it. Just put a little more over it. Alright, so let's cover it up. Okay, so guys, it's been about a minute and a half since I put the entire ingredient in. So I'm gonna check it. Oopsie, I almost got it burned, so I'm just gonna unplug it. And just FYI, every sandwich maker comes with its type of temperature that it uses and how long it takes to prepare a sandwich. Please go according to the type of sandwich maker you're using. As you see, I almost burnt it out, but it's okay, still going to be edible. All right, it is hot, so you really use caution when you are taking this out. Okay, so this is a beautiful sandwich I made using the True Green Baking Mix. And guys, look at that. Tell me you cannot make it. Tell me you cannot make this. Yeah. I'm gonna have this with tea, some herbal mixed tea.